guys, welcome back. We're here in Harbor City. We've got a 3-bedroom condo on the market listed at $440,000. Actually, one of the first properties we got under $500,000, which is excellent to see. Let's pop in and take a view. All right, so here we are. Really like this place. It's a cute apartment, good size, 3-bedroom. I like the cabinetry. The backsplash is really nice. I would love to cook inside this kitchen. One of my favorite things about this apartment is the garage is right here. I love to tinker on my vehicles. Let me show you what that looks like. This is an awesome garage. Plenty of space to bring a car in and work on it, or any of your fun projects you like to do, like painting. So always nice just to have a space like this. Not to mention, the back has a place where you can sit the barbecue and barbecue outside. Well, that was the garage. Let me give you a quick tour upstairs. I love the gray stairs. These are my favorite, actually, favorite color. As you come up, you've got the nice custom iron railing. And actually, I'm gonna show you these 2 rooms at the open house Saturday and Sunday. Like I said, we'll be there from 1 to 4 Saturday and Sunday. Come by and see it. But for now, let's check out the master bedroom. So this is the master. It's a great size. You still got the nice gray wooden floors. Got a nice closet. 2 windows to bring in a lot of natural light. I could really see myself living in a place like this. So you've got a nice bathroom off the side of the master bedroom. I really like this backsplash. They carried that in from downstairs as well. And just a lot of space. Really great master bathroom. Hey guys, I know you want to see the rest of the house, but we've got to go. I'm actually going to save that surprise for Saturday and Sunday. It's listed under $500,000, a 3-bedroom house here in Harbor City. Love to share it with you, so come on out, check the description for the details and the address. Have a great week.